Today on 21st Century Business, explore state-of-the-art technology, innovative business strategies, insights from cutting-edge corporations around the globe, a visionary look into the answers of tomorrow, today. Business leaders, business solutions, 21st Century Business.
Welcome to 21st Century Business. I'm Jackie Bales. Law firms, corporate counsel, and state agencies deal with a flood of information on a daily basis. To manage this onslaught, these types of organizations typically purchase expensive software and hardware and then employ knowledgeable staff to maintain these systems. Well, this requires a huge initial investment, and it bottles up critical data on quickly outdated technology that slowly drains the business of profits, resources, and productivity over time. Well, our guest today, CEO of Houdini ESQ, Frank Rivera, believes his company has a solution. Welcome, Frank.
Thank you for having me, Jackie.
Frank, tell us more about the problems with traditional legal management systems.
The biggest problem is cost. It's very expensive to maintain software today, and software quickly becomes outdated. And traditionally, firms had to pay big support contracts to maintain this software, or hire IT staff to maintain these products, and over time they just become stale, and they don't integrate well with the technologies that attorneys use today.
Well, in this 21st Century Business Field Report, we'll travel to the cloud, virtually of course, to see firsthand how Houdini ESQ's legal management software is providing a complete, simple, cost-effective way to manage a legal practice from anywhere.
When it comes to legal matters, the standard operating procedure for law firms and state agencies has always been to purchase expensive hardware and software, then hire a staff to maintain these systems. However, with legal practice management software Houdini ESQ, the Department of Fair Employment and Housing is finding cost and complication to be a nuisance of the past.
Well, prior to the cloud, we had about 100,000 cases that were either active or inactive throughout our many offices in the department. Today, everything is centralized and transparent in one system that is cloud-based, so that it can be accessed by anybody in the department, and we can find out the exact status of every case. It eliminates duplication, it creates transparency, allows us to be effective and efficient in responding to the public.
Houdini ESQ doesn't stop at helping state agencies. It's also making life easier for law firms across the country, as is the case for Diener Law in Greenville, North Carolina.
Over the course of 2 years, we evaluated about every product that was available on the market. And the problems we kept running into was the fact that these were programs that were at their infancy in terms of practice management software and being online. Houdini ESQ has actually become more of a solution. We were trying to figure out how to actually incorporate it, run things better in the firm. Houdini actually gave us an opportunity to do that.
Lastly, Frank, how can potential clients learn more about Houdini ESQ?
HoudiniESQ.com. We're on the web. We also have hundreds of videos on YouTube on the product and the services and client testimonials. So you can visit us on YouTube or on the web, HoudiniESQ.com.
Great. Well, thanks for coming on the show today, Frank, and giving us a glimpse of the Houdini ESQ Legal Practice Management Suite. It's very interesting.
Thank you for having me.
For 21st Century Business, I'm Jackie Bales. Thanks for watching.